Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Amanda, aka Dreamy Manda, and today I'm at Disney's California Adventure, and I want to share 5 of the best things and maybe secret things to do here at DCA. It's a warm, sunny spring day, but I'm feeling like a cool cat because I'm rocking the Disney cats today. So come with me, let's go check out our first secret spot. One of the areas I like coming to when maybe like some more quiet time or want to get away from the crowds is the pathway behind the Grizzly River Run. It's now open. It was closed for a while Grizzly River Run was under refurbishment, but it's back open and it's such like a nice peaceful walk. You walk behind the line area and up against Grizzly Peak, and it's just super relaxing. It actually feels like you're in nature. And you can stand over by the waterfalls, which is great for a hot day because you can kind of feel that like mist coming down on you and it feels amazing. So you can access Grizzly Peak Pass 2 ways. You can come from the performance corridor, and once you get to the wheel, turn right instead of going left towards the Redwood Challenge Creek Trail. Or you can also get to it by going past the line near the entrance of Grizzly River Run. So if you're coming to DCA, definitely take the path less taken and avoid some of the crowds and just have a nice, relaxing nature walk.
The back pathway gives a Sierra Nevadas vibe and features mountain and mining themed props to give it some visual appeal. It's also fun to watch the rafts, especially when they go through the geysers.
One of my favorite things to do, whether I'm having a solo day or if I'm with other people, is to take advantage of the single rider lines. And here at DCA, they have some really good ones. Usually the line for Radiator Springs Racers is over an hour, but they do offer a single rider lane, and it only takes about like 20 minutes or so. It's a great way to get on the ride quickly. Just a reminder that if you are going to do single rider, that you know that your group will be split up. However, there's a good chance that you could be riding together. The last time my husband and I rode Radiator Springs Racers, we were in the single rider line, but we were actually put together, which worked out, and we only had to wait 15-20 minutes. So total win there. There's a few other rides here at DCA that offer single rider, including Incredicoaster. Although for that one, it's a good idea to take a look at the line to see how it's moving, if it's short enough, because you could be waiting longer for single rider than it would take to get through the normal line. You can also ride single rider for Goofy's Flight School. soaring over California. However, that's another one that it may be better to get in the regular line instead of doing single rider, because single rider could take a longer time to get through. And then also Web Slingers offers a single rider line as well. If you're enjoying today's video, please be sure to hit that thumbs up and also tap the subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. If you did, be sure to leave a comment down below so I can reply back to you. One of the things I love to do when it's warm outside or if it's super chilly is head to the animation building and spend some time in there. They have the meet and greet with Elsa and Anna from Frozen. They also have a Sorcerer's Workshop and Turtle Talk with Crush, where you can have a conversation with Crush the turtle. But they also have the Animation Academy, and I love this because I can sketch some of my favorite Disney characters, and it's so much fun. I'm definitely no artist, but at least I enjoy doing it, right? If you're looking to escape the crowds, get in some AC, and sketch some of your favorite characters, the Animation Academy is the place to go.
Let's head into the animation building. I always love walking into the building, and once you are in, you are surrounded by scenes from Disney films playing on huge screens. It's super immersive. There's some benches and seating areas, so it's a great spot to take a break in the cool air conditioning. My plan is to head into the Animation Academy to learn to draw a Disney character. There is a board just outside that lists all the workshops and times for the day, so you can come back and draw your favorite character. Looks like I'll be drawing Tigger today. Heading into the workshop now. Like I said, I'm not the best at drawing, but let me know how you think I did.
Another thing I like to come and do when it's hot outside is come into Mickey's PhilharMagic show. Here we go! It's never crowded, so you can kind of get away from the crowds and just sit and enjoy the show. If you love Donald Duck, this is a must because Donald is the star of the show here.
Alright, heading into the theater, and while the show itself isn't really a secret, I think it's one of the attractions that is often overlooked. I love that it features some favorite Disney songs and characters. Plus, there's a few good Easter eggs in it.
Glasses till someone tells you.
I think we'll sit here. I'm kind of in the middle, almost. We'll off to the side, but that's okay. Have a good view. 3D show. She'll be giving 3D classes.
Hey, Donald!
Oops,
Where
there we
y'all
go.
done
Show's
up
gonna get
there?
started. I'm here in Cars Land, and there's a magical moment that happens every single day at sundown. It's when all the lights come on. It's such a cool moment. There's music playing, and it just looks so magical. So we're gonna hang out here until sundown. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video here at Disney's California Adventure. I hope you had a fun time learning about the secret and fun things you can do here at DCA, whether you're alone or you're coming with your family or friends. Just a few different things that you could do here at the park to have a fun, spectacular day. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.